Hello everybody, I'm finna start my YouTube channel back up, and it's free. Feel free to leave comments and we can talk about whatever you want to talk about. I can give you advice on whatever you need advice on. You can ask me questions, whatever. We gonna do it all and talk about it all. Whatever y'all want, I'm gonna give it to y'all. Not everything, but some stuff. So next official video will probably be after this video. It's going to be talking about freshmen that's going to high school and stuff. So giving them some advice. So that's coming up next. Excuse my hair. It'll be alright. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button right now, because it's going to be real. I'm not finna sugarcoat nothing. I'm not finna tell y'all what y'all want to hear. We're going to keep it real. And we're going to do it like that. So, hit the subscribe, like this video, and we can already go ahead and get started. So, yeah. So, tune into my channel. It's coming. I'm going to upload. And we're going to do this. So, alright.